Wanted to give everybody a heads up on something that you will want to do prior to updating to version 2025, or if you're currently running version 2025, something that you want to ensure is right. You can see down here, I'm running version 2025 SP3. If you'll go up to the About up here and then take a look at the database version, the SQL version, if you are running a 5.0 version or any 5 version, definitely update the SQL as well, the SQL version, if you're going to update to 2025. If you're currently running 2025 and this is at 5, then update to the latest version. I believe the 8.0.35 is the latest version, if I'm not mistaken. Reason for this is that I have seen some issues creep up on a couple clients that were running version 2025 and had not updated SQL. So be sure that you update this before you go to version 2025, or do it at the time that you update as well. If you're already running 2025, get this updated if you do not have it updated. I'll put you a link down in the comments for where you can get instructions from doing this. Definitely get IT help with this, and possibly even Tekla's support team on this. Let me know if you got any questions.